Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my super simple recipe for how to make your own natural mosquito repelling candles. I made these with just 3 basic ingredients. You can find them all on Vitacost, and I actually poured this candle into these little tins, which I really like. You can actually put a lot of wax in there. These were like 50 cents at IKEA, and then I used wood wicks this time around, so I'll have those linked down below where you can find them. They really do a good job of melting the wax and getting the essential oil into the air, so it's going to help you repel mosquitoes for a larger area than just a smaller cotton wick. Plus we did 2 this time around, which I think is awesome. I hope you guys liked the video. Let's get into it.
So my first step is to pour my beeswax beads into a bowl and then put that over a pot of boiling water, get them all heated up and melted. And to that, I just added some coconut oil. We're also going to be adding some citronella essential oil. We're not using any kind of bug repellent, no toxic chemicals, only natural essential oils for this. Once everything is mixed, we can set that to the side, and then we're going to go ahead and get our containers ready. So this time around I chose these little 10 containers and these really cool wood wicks that I got on Amazon. These have just like a little base, and I was using 2 wicks per candle just because it's kind of a larger candle, and we're going to be doing it outside. So I just placed the 2 wicks towards the center. You want to make sure that it's going to be an even distance from each other and the sides so they burn more evenly. I let those set up and then added on some calendula flowers just for color, and that is it.
Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Monday and Friday on DIYs, cleaning videos, other natural parenting topics, so don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys!